We've all been there, stuck in those long TSA lines, juggling bins and hoping we don't hold up the rest of the line. But what if I told you there were 7 tips that could help you breeze through the TSA like a pro? In today's video, I'm sharing the must-know tricks that I use to make airport security a breeze every time. As someone who travels frequently, I've learned some hard lessons about navigating TSA efficiently. These 7 tips are designed to help you sail through airport security with less stress and more time to relax before your flight. The first and probably most important tip is to sign up for TSA PreCheck or Global Entry if you travel outside the country often. Global Entry helps you with international customs and TSA PreCheck helps with security. With TSA PreCheck, you don't need to remove your shoes, belts, jackets, laptops, and the lines are usually much shorter. It is an absolute game changer for frequent travelers. There are travel-focused credit cards as well that will cover the cost of TSA PreCheck or Global Entry. Both of these perks are valid for 5 years. PreCheck will cost around $80 and the Global is around $120, but if you get Global, you will also get the TSA PreCheck. So if you're even thinking about traveling internationally, I would definitely get Global Entry then because you'll get PreCheck with that. It's pretty much like having a fast pass for airport security, and who doesn't love that? So tip 2, to avoid extra screenings, make sure all your liquids are packed according to the 3-1-1 rule. Liquids must be in containers of 3.4 ounces or less, placed in a 1-quart clear plastic bag, and you're only allowed 1 bag per person. Keep this bag easily accessible so you can pull it out without holding up the line. Amazon has a ton of these 3-1-1 TSA approved toiletry bags and bottles. I'll leave a link to the bestseller below. So comfort and convenience are key when going through security. So wear shoes that are easy to slip on and off and avoid wearing too much metal. Think jewelry, belts, or watches. If you're not in a TSA PreCheck, you'll have to take off your shoes, so having something like slip-ons or sneakers obviously saves you precious time. Additional tip with shoes for me, I'm totally on board with comfort here, but be considerate if your travel plans get crazy or things get really messed up and you need to kind of either run through the airport, you need to walk fast or any of that. So wear something that is comfortable, easy on and off, and has the ability to help you move if you need to, because the worst is seeing people run through the airport in like sandals. So tip number 4, this may seem a bit obvious, but it's amazing how many people wait until the last second to dig out their ID and boarding pass. So frustrating. So have them ready before you even get in line. If you're using a mobile boarding pass, make sure your phone is charged and the screen is pulled up as well, because that always catches some people who are using the on their phone. Adding your boarding pass to your wallet is a great idea as well, because you'll be able to access it even if you don't have service or Wi-Fi. Because if you forget to turn off airplane mode and you don't have service and you're fumbling, on your connection, if it's in your wallet, you can just pull it up right from your wallet or take a picture of it. But sometimes that doesn't work, so I would put it in your wallet. So tip number 5, instead of waiting until you're at the bins to empty your pockets, do it before you even get in line. Place everything from your pockets like your phone, wallet, and keys into your carry-on bag. This saves time at the bins and ensures nothing gets left behind. I personally like to place this kind of stuff in the same pockets of my backpack each time. It really is a way for me to eliminate scrambling or freaking out for no reason when I can't find something in my backpack after security, which I have done. I forget what airport I was in, but I couldn't find my phone, and it was in my backpack pocket that I couldn't find, or that I normally don't put it in. So if you can structure your personal item or carry-on to be packed in similar fashion, it allows you to be more predictable to yourself and could protect you from unnecessary stress, like freaking out right outside security for no reason. Been there, done that. Felt real dumb. Ever had to backtrack to grab your wallet or phone from a bin? Yeah. Let me know down below your horror stories of getting through security. Tip number 6 is around luggage. If you travel often, investing in TSA-friendly luggage can make a huge difference. Look for bags that have a dedicated easy access laptop compartment that folds open flat, so you don't need to remove your laptop at all. It's one less thing to worry about when you're, juggling with the bins and bags. And just having things that are approved through TSA just makes the whole process very easy, and knowing what they're expecting will make your life a whole lot easier. So, look for luggage that's labeled TSA approved. It'll make everything smooth. So tip number 7 may be a little unusual, but also is a bit of common sense. So this one may sound like common sense, but picking the right line can save you a lot of time. Now, a couple insider tips here. If possible, avoid lines with large families. Travelers with lots of luggage or people who look unfamiliar with the process. You know who I'm talking about. You'll see them very quickly. Business travelers usually know the drill and move quickly, so if you spot a line full of them, jump in with the business people. You know, follow the suits and construction hard hats, because those are the people usually who travel quite often, so they're going to understand the process and push through the line very quickly. It's like finding the secret shortcut at Disney. Pick the right line and you'll be through in no time. So there you have it. There are 7 simple tips, but effective tips to help you breeze through TSA. With a little preparation and these tricks up your sleeve, you have more time to enjoy your trip and less time stressing at security. So you could sit at the gate and do nothing. What's your favorite TSA tip? Certainly let me know down below in the comments. If you found this video helpful, certainly check out some of my Travel Smarter, Not Harder playlist as well. And also, if you do quite a bit of traveling, check out some of my resort and activities or excursion reviews in either Mexico, Canada, Dominican Republic. Where else do I have? I know I have a bunch of different places, Hawaii, you name it. So certainly check those out, and we will see you on the next one.